Okay, for this derivative of inverse trig, I'm going to do 7 sine to the negative 1, or arc sine, of 2 over 3x. So for the first step, we have to remember that this is equal to, or well, for sine, it is 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared dx. So our answer is going to look something like that. So for the first step, we have to take u, and u is going to equal 2 over 3x. We have to take the derivative of that. Du over dx is going to be equal to 2 over 3. Pretty simple. The next step, we will have dy over dx is equal to 7 times 1 over the square root, we're getting that from this, 1 minus u squared. So it'll be parentheses 2 over 3x squared. Make that a little bit longer. Then you have to multiply it by dx, which is 2 over 3. So then the next step is we kind of simplify this. We have to multiply the 7 by the 2 over 3. So that turns into dy. Make sure you can see. Dy over dx equals 14 over 3 times 1 over the square root of 1 minus, and now we have to multiply this out. We have to do this squared. So it becomes, actually we can get rid of that parenthesis, we won't need that. 1 minus 4 over 9x squared. So after this, basically the next step is to just flip it. Well, we can simplify it a little bit. Actually, we have to simplify it before. So this becomes dy over dx equals the same 14 over 3 times 1 over the square root. We have to simplify this bottom part. So that simplifies to 9, because we have to get the same denominator. It'll have to be 9 over 9 is equal to 1. So it'll be 9 minus 4x squared all over the square root of the denominator, square root of 9. So the next step is to flip and multiply. So we'll have dy over dx equals the denominator we'll put on the top. So it becomes 14 over 3 to 4 times the denominator, 9, over the numerator, square root of 9 minus 4x squared. So when we multiply that out, it becomes dy over dx equals 14. The 3 and the square root of 9 cancel because the square root of 9 is 3, times 1 over the square root 9 minus 4x squared. So then we just have to put it all together. Dx 14 over the square root of 9 minus 4x squared. And this is the final answer.